a contract extension, which took many of us by surprise. I mean, the guy only played 5 games last season, and that was only towards the end of the season when we had an injury crisis at the back. We had Rushin Dotli, Given Simango, Inacio Miguel all out at some point, So one may say we had no choice, He was our only option. Hence, he ended up playing those 5 games. And fair play, the guy did well. I think he played well. And interestingly, shockingly, Zicha Gwinika is one of Kaizer Chiefs' top earners, if not the top earner, the highest paid player. This is according to multiple sources: Sports Plus, Gauteng News, The South African, etc. So my concern here is, how do you give one of your top earner who is not playing a contract extension at the age of 31?